Hey guys, welcome back. Finally, I'm filming this video. We're designing 2 pendant necklaces. I've been busy with a few large wholesale orders, and I hope the last video will give you some ideas of how to differentiate plastic and real amber. So these 2 necklaces are designed by the factory workers, and I will make this necklace first. It belongs to my mom. I bought her this a few years ago, and she wants a longer necklace so she doesn't need to adjust the length and just put it on. And she doesn't like the ending charm here because sometimes she would wear it to sleep and it kind of bothers her. And I will also remove these metal beads. They are made with sterling silver with 14K yellow gold plated, and the color is fading. And for the amber pendant, it really goes well with turquoise, lapis, and the Nanhong agate. Let's see how I design it. You see, the amazing part of wearing amber and genuine turquoise is that the more often you wear it, the color will change. Yeah, it will become vibrant. And that's my amber pendant and turquoise necklace. That was how it looked when I just finished, and then I wear it every day, so the color changed. is done, I will give it a cleanse and then I'll give it back to my mom. And remember, when you cleanse amber, turquoise, lapis jewelry, do not soak them in the water. Use smoke or clear quartz clusters. And usually before I make the necklace, I already have visualized how it will look on the body. So it's like a habit. You don't have to like think it really hard. You just visualize it. And I don't like complicated style. I like simple design.